एक दिन हमको बस लोगों के घरों में जाके खाना है।
हाँ, परफेक्ट।
भंडारदरा से तो हम निकल गए बिकॉज दिस इज अ डू एज यू प्लीज रोड ट्रिप। तो अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? और बचपन से road trips have been the thing in my family.
In pretty much every kid who grew up in the 90s, उनके family में road trips was a big thing, no?
वैसे तो बाहर इतनी गर्मी है, लेकिन ये खाना इतना तीखा होने के बावजूद I'm like really enjoying it. I'm not like huffing and puffing.
बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है तो without describing, yes. Okay, so this fish is called कोमड़ा.
हाँ. और मीठे
Although
पानी
it's a
का
fish,
है.
it's called कोमड़ा.
Yes, कोमड़ा इधर है, कोमड़ी उधर है.
Yes.
And this fish is called चिलापी. और ये जो फिश है यहाँ की इनकी स्पेशलिटी है, ये मीठे पानी की फिश है. Yeah, this is from the Vetarna Dam.
It's beautifully cooked.
And mildly spiced.
Spiced.
यूजुअली क्या होता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो मीठे पानी की मछली होती है उसमें कांटे बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं.
होते हैं ये
और
सीरियस.
वो खाने में बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. लेकिन this one is
small बहुत है.
This one is definitely easier to eat.
It's very close to a sea fish.
We are in the absolute interiors of Maharashtra.
Yes.
और आज वो दिन है जब हमें पता नहीं है हमें कहाँ जाना है.
We will eat, we will travel, we will do something. But what we are doing, I don't know. And today to explore, our companion with us is
This black beauty.
Yes.
You know, to me, the best part of road trips is the uncertainty of it. कि आपको कभी-कभी पता नहीं होता है कि exactly क्या होने वाला है, exactly क्या दिखने वाला है. So every moment is like a discovery. और बचपन से road trips have been the thing in my family.
In pretty much every kid who grew up in the 90s, उनके family में road trips was a big thing, no?
Yeah. But one of my memorable road trips in India is definitely all along the Konkan coast, starting from Mumbai, going all the way down. भंडारदरा से तो हम निकल गए, लेकिन because this is a do as you please road trip, तो अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
We found one dam which is about 40 minutes from Bhandardara towards Igatpuri, I think so. Bhavali Dam. तो अभी पहले वहाँ पे जाके we'll see वहाँ पे क्या है. But you think, you know, when you used to do your road trips to the Konkan coast, you know, if you had a car which had the features that this car has, which is the Kia Seltos, agar usme, you know, if there was traction control, where you can go on the sand, wouldn't that be crazy?
That would be so awesome. अगर मैं Kia Seltos में कोंकण रोड ट्रिप करती तो significantly better होती. One would be
starting with comfort for sure.
Starting with comfort. Hello, there is ventilated seats.
Oh yes.
इसको लगाओ और ठंडी हवा के ऐसे बबल में बैठे हुए ऐसे लग रहा है. So that is awesome, especially if you are doing a summer drive. But what I am really looking forward to eating is this kala mutton.
Yes.
Mutton Sukha in kala masala.
The bajra ka bhakri.
I'm also fishing for the masala.
Hunger levels. Oh, this is feeling so good.
So these parts of Maharashtra, jawar, bajra, very popular.
Eat.
Awesome है क्या?
बाद में बात करते हैं.
Okay, Mohit is raising my excitement to eat this. Wow. सब गरम मसाले रोस्ट करके ग्राइंड करके जो मसाला बना है काला मसाला इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. और
गरम मसाला और अनियन को भी रोस्ट किया ना, अनियन एंड
अनियन
कोकोनट.
को अच्छा काला होने तक रोस्ट करते हैं.
Even fresh coconut is roasted, right?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
The darker the millet or the bajra, darker the mutton, the flavors are just bursting.
Should we try some arni?
So this is arni, which is
Mutton stock with haldi and maybe a little salt. Huh?
so it's kind of a bland soup to go with the fiery mutton. ये मटन और भाकरी में हम इतना खो गए कि एक्चुअली हम भूल भी गए कि there's Gauran chicken waiting for us. Gauran chicken is, in simple terms, it's desi chicken.
Desi chicken, Gavthi chicken.
Definitely the infotainment.
Which has got pretty much everything, right?
Yeah, it has everything. You can navigate from here, your music is here, your phone is connected. And the dashboard is really sleek and beautiful. You know, it's not complicated. It's user friendly. इसका इंटरफेस बहुत ही सुंदर है. काकड़ीचे किती? The joy of a road trip. Masala khira, masala kakdi. I hope this one is too.
Peri peri kakdi.
Yeah.
You want to maybe stop for a sugarcane juice?
Oh yeah.
Another summer cooler.
Another summer cooler.
So we've been driving for about 40 minutes now from Bhandardara and we are almost, actually we've reached the dam.
Yeah, look.
Also, you know, given the price of the vehicle, which is close to about 20 lakhs in Bombay on road, given its features, it's a steal and a total value for money.
Yeah, I think in the segment that this car is
It's one of the
placed
better
in,
ones.
yes.
It's one of the better ones for sure.
Bad roads, no problem. I think suspension wise, my back is in La La Land. 3 दिन से हम ड्राइव कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
There is no stress on my back or any of my joints.
The
for
back
that
is
matter.
nicely suspended.
True.
Given its features, it's a steal and a total value for money. Chal, I'm returning the favor with a sexy leg piece.
Oh yeah. as a whole meal, the Sukha mutton with this rasa chicken, because you need something wet, because bhakris are usually pretty dry. Very hot.
It's boiled with haldi.
And yeah,
No?
very different from the mutton, very flavorful. The rasa is very different from the mutton. And I think I would love to eat that with rice.
Yeah, of course. Oh, yeah. More garam masala.
वैसे तो बाहर इतनी गर्मी है, लेकिन ये खाना इतना तीखा होने के बावजूद I'm like really enjoying it. I'm not like huffing and puffing. Sometimes.
And also the heat
It's just
will
the right
kill
thing
the
at the
heat
right
inside the
time.
tummy.
We've been on a long road trip, right?
Long-ish. ऐसे तो नहीं बोल सकते हमने 3 दिन से कुछ नहीं खाया.
ये तो कोई विश्वास ही नहीं करेगा और खाने में क्या है. Here's another very staple Maharashtrian thali item. Has many names. It's actually dry prawns, but the tiny ones. Sukat भी बोलते हैं, kismud भी बोलते हैं. So crunchy, kurkura, the whole plate. इसके बाद गाड़ी चलाना थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा.
पर हम चला लेंगे. घर जाना है.
उसके बाद a nap is recommended. Yeah, so nice thing about this place, Bansode Khanaval, it's run by 3 brothers. उनकी माँ और उनकी पत्नियाँ, everyone was in the kitchen preparing
No
this
wonder
meal.
it's such a great meal. It's a family cooked meal.
It's a family cooked meal. But then my experience of family run places is that they always are bang on.
They are bang on with the taste.
Just the right masalas and the right quantities and absolutely the freshest ingredients.
Like the
Like-
food that we're having right now, or the one that we had at
Jaitapur.
Jaitapur.
Oof, that was stunning too. तो एक दिन हमको बस लोगों के घरों में जाके खाना है.
हाँ, perfect.
If you think it's a good idea, please let us know in the comments. So on that note, I think we should end this day. And as we keep driving and getting home, hopefully at some point.
Yes, at some point.
Please like, subscribe, share this video. If you want to see more off the beaten track routes, do write to us in the comments. And आते रहिए, खाते रहिए, देखते रहिए खाने में.
आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए.
आते रहिए, खाते रहिए, पूछते रहिए.
पूछते रहिए कि खाने में क्या है, किया है. You want to maybe stop for a sugarcane juice?
Oh yeah.
है ना? Another summer cooler.
Another summer cooler. Hey आया देख. क्या?
Wow, what acting.
वाह क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है.
बोल, we're almost there.
We're almost there.
वाह क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है.
You stopped using your brain suddenly.
Yeah.
So then use them now. In 3, 2.
No, say that again. What exactly are we looking at here?
कि हम डैम पहुंचने वाले हैं. हम पहुंच चुके हैं वैसे. We've reached, by the way.
हाँ. I think we've reached the dam. बस कि नहीं? Okay, I'm out. मैं इससे relate नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. I'm out.
चल हाल से.
हाँ.